Just insane. American Billionaire bought billions of Nio stocks. Nio Stock is just getting back on the right track. Which American billionaire just bought billions of Nio stocks? What is Nio's inside story? And what will be the future of Nio Stock? So, are you guys excited? Hey folks, welcome back to Stock Market News. We are back with another interesting video. Today, we're going to talk about the American billionaire who bought billions of Nio stocks. So without any further ado, let's get into the video right away. Nio stockholders have had a rough ride so far this year, as Nio stock is down nearly twice as much as the S&P 500 index has. However, in the last month, the Chinese smart electric vehicle maker stock has outperformed the broader market index by 30% compared to a loss of roughly 7%. U.S. listed shares of Nio rallied 16% on June 14th, regaining the 50-day moving average. After Nio's weak projection for the current quarter and the general market sell-off, the stock's 3-day losing streak came to an end. As a result of delisting concerns, the Nio stock price has rebounded since May 12th. However, the once hot electric vehicle stock is much below the 200-day average and even further below the highs of January 2021. After a steep decline, Nio stock's relative strength line has begun to rise again. In the company's May delivery update, Nio reported that it had delivered 7,024 vehicles in May. There are now 37,866 cars on the road, which is a 12% increase over the same period last year. Following the company's first quarter earnings announcement, the stock price fell because of the COVID-19 related shutdowns in China and increasing commodity costs affecting margins. Nio announced a larger than expected loss. However, the corporation reported a 24% increase in sales to $1.56 billion and a 28.5% increase in deliveries during the first quarter of the year. A product launch set for June 15th at 8 a.m. Eastern sparked a 17% surge in Nio shares on Tuesday. The ES7, a new 5-passenger SUV from the firm, will be unveiled soon. The launch has definitely piqued the interest of investors. In addition, I predict that when China eases restrictions on COVID-19, the production of EVs will continue to recover. The stock of Nio has a decent possibility of rising from its current level if the market as a whole helps it. Nio's capacity to manufacture and distribute automobiles has been hindered by China's government's COVID-19 limitations, which have now been eased, gradually recovering. The corporation stated in its May report, with deliveries up 4.7% from a year earlier. By working closely with supply chain partners and accelerating the delivery recovery, the company's management plans to increase output in the future. A large inflow of orders was also reported by the company. Just as the Shanghai lockdown was getting underway, Nio began shipping its ET7 premium smart electric automobile to customers. After a recent price increase to offset increasing raw material costs, the company had delivered over 1,700 of this model with a starting price of roughly $68,000 before subsidies by the end of May. In the months to come, I believe Nio will gain from a backlog of demand because of the restrictions many well-to-do Chinese people put off buying an electric vehicle. Demand for Nio's products is set to rise when limitations are relaxed across the country. The fact that the Chinese government appears to favor Nio over Tesla may be one factor contributing to the high demand. Subsidies for electric vehicles with swappable battery packs, such as Nio's, have been expanded in China by the Ministry of Finance. In the battle against Tesla, Nio's expanding battery swapping network further strengthens the company's defenses. 34 new battery exchange stations, 37 new superchargers, and 10,000 new third-party charging piles were introduced last month, according to the company's announcement. Kathy Wood, a well-known investor, thinks the electric vehicle business will do well because it fits with her strategy of investing in industries that are ready for disruption and innovative growth, such as autonomous technology. According to Barron's, Wood predicted that EV sales will rise from their present level of 4.8 million units in 2021 to 40 million units in 2026. A number of electric vehicle firms have attracted Wood's attention. However, Tesla stood out as a particular favorite. ARK Invest's exchange-traded fund family's total value, as of March 28th, included 7.54% of Tesla shares, or ETFs. To be honest, Wood's biggest investment is in Tesla. After all, Wood sold about 146,000 Tesla shares on March 25th. Kathy recently bought an additional 65,000 shares of Warren Buffett-backed BYD, bringing her total interest in the company to $1.486 million. On November 30th, 2021, Mark's fund bought 98,964 shares of BYD at about $5 each. This is the fourth time this year that the fund has purchased 56,159 Exponent shares, taking advantage of the price decline. More than $19 million has been invested in Xpeng, which is ranked 20th out of 37 firms by ARK Capital. Why did ARK purchase Tesla's primary competitors, Nio and BYD, instead of Tesla? The management of the funds jumped at the opportunity as soon as they noticed it. Nio and BYD both saw their shares rise during the most recent trading session. End of 2021, a big topic in interviews is acquiring a Chinese company. In spite of Kathy's reservations about Chinese equities and the uncertain future of Chinese companies listed in the U.S., her team began investing in Chinese EV manufacturers. Wood also purchased Nio electric vehicle stock on the same day, which is a bit of a surprise. The purchase of 420,057 Nio shares was revealed by the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. Despite the fact that Wood has reduced the value of her Tesla stock holdings, this does not mean that she has lost faith in the stock of the company. It's worth noting, though, that Wood made her first purchase of Nio stock, which shows she has faith in the Chinese electric vehicle industry. Wood's interest in Tesla is understandable. Tesla's position in the electric vehicle market is so strong that it will be impossible for other competitors to catch up or even compete with the company's sales growth during the next few years. Electric vehicle companies other than Tesla are becoming increasingly competitive, and Wood doesn't look willing or able to miss out on any of those possibilities as a result. Nio has been dubbed the Tesla of China, and the business has even declared that it plans to sell items that are superior to those supplied by Tesla at lower rates. A day following the release of the company's fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial report, Wood purchased shares of Nio. This shows that something in the report caught Wood's attention, because the electric vehicle manufacturer wants to expand, I believe. Nio has a bright future ahead of it with aims for global expansion. After mentioning expansion across Europe, Nio aims to establish another Nio house in Norway soon and plans to enter the Netherlands, Germany, and Denmark this year, as well as the U.S. As a result of this news, if it's accurate, Nio might be on the verge of a major development phase in the second part of the year, which would mean a frantic schedule. However, the recent announcement from CEO William Li that the company is in the process of developing its own phone to compete with Apple's iPhone has been more than just a bit concerning that it would take its eye off the ball in some way. On the last day of March, the founder and CEO of the company appeared on a talk show to explain why the company is looking into developing its own personal telephone. It appears that customers want a phone that's more compatible with their cars. Why should you buy Nio stock now? All 14 of the analysts at Modern Nio Stock on TipRanks believe it is a buy. Currently, the price is more than double what analysts expect. In the future, China's interest in smart electric vehicles will only grow, and the company's charging network will keep expanding. The corporation should benefit from easing COVID-19 limits, as well as the ongoing disruption of the oil markets. Forward price securities are traded on a stock exchange. A rebound in sales is expected in the second half of 2022, making Nio stock a good investment right now. So, this was all about this video. I hope you like the information given in the video, and if you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. And also hit that bell icon to get the notification of the latest updates on the channel. And thanks for watching!